As we are celebrating the 100th edition of Tora School Online, I thought we could work on some special tree. Welcome to a brand new episode. This Mugo pine is really special. One cannot tell where all these lines are starting and where they are ending. Crazy. I'm thinking about semi-cascade form, but before we put the tree into the position, I will work on the deadwood. I will clean some of these jeans. This will be the position in the pot, so let's do the wiring. I will use aluminium wire this time, simply because it is cheaper than copper. I always use the aluminium for the first styling, and then with established conifers I use copper. There was a lot of questions about the copper wire in my last video, like why I put the wire into the fire, where I buy the copper wire and so on. I buy copper wire from a local importer intended for electric motors and other devices. It is varnished and shiny, making it unsuitable for use. It is also too hard. Therefore, I anneal it. When it glows in the fire, I quench it with cold water. If the temperature was right, the wire turns a nice red color and becomes soft for use. Of course, this also saves me a lot of money. It is more than half the price compared to buying ready-made wire for bonsai. Back to this tree, let's do the wiring and styling. For the top I will use this branch, but first I must bring it way forward, so I will do some heavy bending. So we reached the end of the 100th edition of Tora School Online. You can still support us with clicking the thanks button below. I'm really happy with the result of the styling, and this tree will be nice add to my collection. I hope that you enjoyed the video. See you all in the next one.